To build any type of WordPress website, you just need two things. One is called domain, so that is basically your website name, and the second one is called hosting, where your website files are stored in a server. So here you can see these are the top famous companies. So these are the hosting providers that you can compare prices. So this is almost $3 monthly, and also you can check here HostGator. So scroll down and let's check. These are the hosting packages that you can select one of these. Just here you can select starter package, and after that on the next page here you can see this is a section that you can fill out a form, but before that you can just add your domain name. So make sure that your domain name will be unique. Like if we add Amazon, so you will not be able to purchase this domain because this name is already taken. And after that just you can scroll down. Here you can see these are some options that you can add, and after that just click here and make payment. After that you can just go here and sign in to portal. After that in dashboard here you can see in hosting. So this is the hosting package that I have purchased. After that just click here on manage, and after that just click here settings. Scroll down. Here you can see these are the name servers that we need to connect in our domain, so that our domain and hosting will be connected. So just I can copy these, and I have purchased hosting from this company, hostinger.pk. Here you can see this is the domain name, latestfullhdmovies.com. just click here on manage, and after that here you can see in name servers, just click here change name servers. After that scroll down. Here you can see these are the current name servers, just you can replace with your own name servers. And after that just I can copy this second one, add here. After that just click here on save button. In this way you can connect your domain with your hosting. After that the next step is just go to cPanel, and we need to install WordPress in our domain. So now you can see the cPanel has loaded, and after that scroll down. Here you can see these are various features that you can use and learn step by step. After that just click here app installer. So this is a basic tutorial that you can create your own website. Here you can see these are some platforms that you can use. Just click here, the first one, WordPress. After that scroll here and click here on install now. After that here you can see for SSL security you can just add HTTPS, and normally it is used HTTP. After that you can select one of domains that you want to install WordPress. After that you can select WordPress Variant, and after that if you get WP here just you can remove this one. The next you can add here website login detail, username, password, your own email address. After that here you can add site name, description, and here you can select the plugins that you want to install by default. So this is important plugin if you install. After that scroll down. Here you can select one of theme. The next you can click install now button, and after that WordPress will be installed. So this is the way that you can install WordPress, and after that let's check what we can do.